Hi Tarot Lovelies, it's Ethany and it's Friday, which means it's a First Impressions Friday here on my channel, and I have a new deck for us to discover together. And today I have the Soul cards, and it is a tarot deck. Look how beautiful and shiny this cover is, this beautiful creation. Now this is a deck that was created by Christine Friedheim, Karina Nika and Eva Eklund, and I'm really excited. The box just came like this. I haven't unwrapped anything, and you can get it at soulcardstarot.com. So now we're going to, of course, swap over cameras, open this little box of treasures, and go through the soul cards. Okay, tarot treasures, let's go through and explore the soul cards together. And let's flip the box over. Dedicated to my mother and for the hours we spent together with the cards. And then we have the creators on the back and soulcardstarot.com. Now, I was connected with this deck through an invitation to go to the launch. And if I was in LA, I would have been there with bells on. But I'm unfortunate, well, I'm in Vancouver, Canada, and it is a stunner of a city. I'm very, very happy, but I do realize that there's a lot in LA that I miss out on. I love California. I love the Pacific Northwest. I love Washington State. I love Oregon and California. I love New York. Actually, there's a lot of places in the States that I really, really adore. To learn more about the cards, their meanings, and how to lay them, please visit soulcardstarot.com. That's shiny, all the shiny things. The box at the bottom is shiny too. So this doesn't come with a guidebook, as the box does state to go and visit the site. The back is gorgeous. It is the matte finish, that gorgeous, luxurious matte finish. Getting a 330 GSM from that. And it is antique gold finished. Now this is a more of a sigil deck, a symbol deck, the Fool. Very minimalistic. It reminds me a little bit of my dear friend Chris Ann Donnelly's Sacred Creators Oracle. The Magician. There are elements here though. So we've got the cup, the wand, the pentacle, the lamacet, the eye, so shiny. The High Priestess. These also remind me very much of like really cool tattoo designs. Now, I did know that this was a problem with some people's cards, the Empress, but that's okay. I don't mind the Empress. Gold stamping of anything, I know from fact from my Bad Bitches Tarot, can be very finicky. The Emperor. Just want to do this every time. They're all the same pink on the front, and they're all gold stamped. The Hierophant. So the symbols are there, like the cross, the Lovers. There'd be really cool meditation activating sigils for sure. The Chariot, that's beautiful. I really feel like these would be amazing tattoos. Strength, you can see that lion in there. The Hermit, the Lamp, the Planet, the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, lots of infinity symbols in this deck. Death, you can see that almost sugar skull looking sigil with the scythes. Temperance, the healing waters of alchemy and transcendence. The devil. I'm going to move this up here so I'm not knocking the camera so much. The tower. I'm missing my lightning bolt from that, but it is beautiful. Star. Oh, we don't have a title for the moon. The moon is titleless. The sun. I'm not sure whether that has been corrected. So if someone else has this deck, or you have a second run, or you know from the creators if they've sent out correction cards, please let me know. Judgment. The world. Okay, Ace of Cups. I do like how the two, it's like 2 of Cups. That's really cool. 2 of Cups. Three of Cups. 4 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. So it's, as you can see, this is very a Marseille, minimalistic. So if you, 8 of Cups, struggle with that, I'm trying to get into doing more of the Marseille numerology based readings. The 10, the page, the knight, the queen, and the king. Oh, I do like that. That's gorgeous. Okay, wands, the ace, the 2. Oh, I picked up a number of them. That's one thing with this laminate, it gets a little bit like sticky, but again, I think it's luxurious, so I'm never mad at it. The 3, 4, 5. The design of like the actual wands and cups and everything is so pretty. 6, 7, the 8, 9, 10, page, a little smile, the knight, the king. Oh, the king. I was like, do we have a queen? The king and the queen. That's gorgeous. That pentacle is really pretty. Like I said, that would be like a really beautiful tattoo. 2. Moon and the planets. 3. 4. 5 of Pentacles. So if you are into, if you're looking for a beautiful, luxurious kind of feeling, more Marseille deck, this I feel like would be really engaging. I also feel like there would be, like, this would be a really good deck to use at events and things like that. I know who this is designed for, the person that would be really attracted to this deck. 9. There's a little bit of bleed there, or indentation. 10. The Page. Knight. Queen, she's gorgeous. King. Swords, my favorite suit. 2. Do love that sword design, it's really pretty. The 3 is swords. Hey, we have a Rider-Waite-Smith representation in here. It snuck in. The 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. I am missing my very visual components. Like, these are beautiful. They really, really are. And it would be interesting to see how they play with other decks. But I'm a very, very visual person. And I do like diving into the narrative and landscape of a deck, of a card. But like I said, these are gorgeous. And not everything that I'm going to show, the Queen, the King, and work with and be given is going to be something that I could use on a daily basis. But again, I know lots of people who would love this deck and love to work with it. The back is beautiful. The design is gorgeous. It's very, very well executed. I know that might sound really weird from someone who has a pretty minimalistic deck themselves. With my Bad Bitches Tarot, for me, that's all about like the attitude and the personality of the person, the people in the cards. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a shuffle and pull a card. We don't have a guidebook to go through, but that's, as mentioned, there's a guide online. Okay, Strength, that gorgeous lion, fortitude, inner strength, knowing who you are and being authentic to yourself. That deep well of reserve, right? It is a stunner of a deck though. I'm going to see how it works. I'm going to see how it plays with others. And I'm going to, as always, trying to run away from me, pop a link to where you can support this Soul Cards Tarot deck below, which is soulcardstarot.com. And as always, thank you so much for spending time with me and watching this video.